3:39 Mountain Standard Time, 5:39 Eastern Time, December 9, 2023. Welcome to Lovewear Canada. I've been tracking storms with Nathan Bell from Storm Master Weather on live on his TikTok, so that was exciting today. And there is the same storm system that's creating tornado warnings on stateside is coming to Canada, Eastern Canada. So let's get to it right now. Current weather conditions 13 in Toronto right now, rain in Vancouver. And here, all in the yellow right now, tornado watches for stateside. They had tornadoes on the ground reported earlier today while I was tracking the storms with Nathan Bell on Storm Master Weather. And here, we got some thunderstorms moving into Canada. So right now we're seeing tornado watches on stateside, and we're seeing some thunderstorms moving into Canada. Non-severe thunderstorms risk for overnight in southern Ontario. And the same system that's moving in to Ontario, Quebec will bring rain, heavy snow, strong winds. Here is special weather statements right now for Ontario, Quebec. Montreal's in the special weather statement, and Quebec City will see lots of snow. We will talk about that more later. Now, Vancouver, seeing rain today, then tomorrow, a little bit of showers the afternoon, nothing much happening, just 60%. It will calm down for the evening, 50% of precipitation. We'll talk about more Eastern Canada later. Now, here's tomorrow, warm front moving in with some snow showers in the evening. Nothing much happening. And then next week, 3 degrees. And there is some computer models saying it could go up to 18 degrees on Wednesday in Calgary. So we have to keep an eye on that. Right now, it's 3 degrees on my computer models. So let's go with that. Here's Banff, Alberta. Warm front moving in. Nice warm temperatures. 0 on Wednesday for Banff. Edmonton, -5 today, then +3 tomorrow, -5. So nothing much, no active weather, just sunshine. Then we move on to Medicine Hat, Alberta. 0 today, 5 tomorrow, 0 on Monday. Winnipeg, Manitoba, nothing much happening either, just -6, 0, mix of sun and cloud, -5 on Tuesday, sunny. Now we go to Yellowknife before we get to Southern Ontario and Southern Quebec details. So here is tomorrow, -10, -19 on Monday. So you know what? Yellowknife having normal temperatures, weather forecasted. And when we get to January, it gets colder. They're in the north. So here's the instant weather forecast for today. Because we got storms on stateside, like I showed you. Tornado warnings today. Tornadoes on the ground reported. Check the news if you want to, if you're interested. And we got isolated severe around Windsor today. Very small chance because of the stateside storms. Possibly seeing, strong winds, damaging winds. Isolated severe. So it's not that high, but they still have a risk because of stateside. Very active today. And all in the blue, non-severe storms. So overnight you could hear some thunder, even including the city of Cornwall, Montreal, Ottawa as well. Mild conditions, but only a little bit of precipitation. Then we go to Northern Ontario with the same system. Bringing precipitation, so to Northern Ontario. So as you could see, low in Northern Ontario. Even some thunderstorms crossing the Canadian border right now. Like I said, I showed you earlier. Very active day in stateside from the Gulf of Mexico into the States, into Canada. Ottawa, seeing a little bit of precipitation, but as we headed to... So as you could see, stateside, still yellow tornado watches, and the same system moving into Canada has warnings right here. And these warnings are rainfall warnings between 20 to 30 millimeters of snow, then turning into snow on Sunday night, 5 to 10 centimeters. So localized flooding impossible. Then you get the temperatures drop. And when the temperatures drop with heavy wet snow, that could be some power outages like happened a few days ago in Quebec. Special weather statements, in Montreal included, 15 to 25 millimeters expected into the system. Then it'll turn into snow Sunday night, and Monday morning commute could be very bad, tricky. So white, special weather statements, red, rainfall warnings. Then as we get to northern Quebec, freezing rain. So here's tomorrow, 5 to 10 millimeters, 2 to 5 centimeters, possible 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. Then Tuesday, then Wednesday, risk of some snow squalls. There's a lot to cover here, so bear with me. And Quebec City rained, then 5 to 10 centimeters of heavy snow in the morning and the afternoon with the same system. St. John's, Newfoundland, still windy conditions. Tomorrow will calm down. Then it'll be winds picking up from the southwest at 55 kilometers, gust up to 70 kilometers per hour on Monday. And Tuesday, still windy conditions from the southwest, pumping warm air into the region. Further to New Brunswick, tomorrow 8 degrees, 13 on Monday, -2 on Tuesday. Temperatures drop. Charlottetown, PI. Tomorrow, 7 degrees with windy conditions, 35 kilometers, gust up to 65 kilometers at times with south winds. And south winds still, but look at that, gust up to 110 kilometers per hour. Winds are from the south. So let's go to the timeline quick. Let's see what the computer's models are saying right now. So tomorrow, this is 12 p.m. tomorrow. On Sunday, we got some rain. Look at that. Temperatures are warm. Heavy rain comes in dark blue. Then we move on into Monday and Monday. So let's go back. So this is 12 a.m. Sunday overnight. Well, Monday morning. And then it turns into snow with +1 and heavy wet snow. And look at that. It's still coming down heavy at times, +2, +1. So when it's heavy wet snow, that's not good for power lines. We have to keep an eye. Special weather statements now, but I think Environment Canada will issue more